Hey guys, it's Eric here and this is my unboxing and quick review of the Huawei Y9 Prime 2019. This is not to be confused with the Y9 2019 that I reviewed about 7 months ago. When we open the box, we are greeted with a smartphone. Let's go ahead and peel out that sticker on the back. This is the midnight black color. It also comes in sapphire blue and emerald green. There's a screen protector already applied. Let's power it on while we see what else is in the box. We have an envelope that houses the SIM ejector tool. We also get a clear silicone case that has all the cutouts and fits quite well. On the bottom compartment, we get a standard 10-watt charger, a USB Type-C cable, and a pair of earphones. On the front, we have a 6.59-inch Full HD Plus IPS LCD display with 19.5 by 9 aspect ratio. On top of that display, we have a 16-megapixel camera that pops up and an earpiece. On the back, you have a 16-megapixel primary camera, an 8-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens, and a 2-megapixel camera for depth sensing with flash. You also get a fingerprint sensor and some Huawei branding. On the left, you have nothing. On the right, you have a power button and volume rocker. On the top of the device, you have a microphone and a hybrid SIM tray that houses two 4G LTE nano SIMs or one SIM and one SD card. On the bottom, you have the speaker grill, a USB Type-C port, a noise cancellation microphone, and a 3.5mm headphone jack. The back and frame of the Y9 Prime 2019 are made from a polycarbonate material, also known as Glastic. It has a two-tone color that may not be visible on camera. It is quite heavy, yes, heavier and thicker than the OG Y9 2019. The bigger screen and motorized parts are likely responsible for the extra weight. The pop-up camera does retract automatically in event of accidental drops. It does look a bit more premium than the Y9 2019 because of that triple camera setup on the back and of course the total absence of a notch. This comes in 4 gigs of RAM and 128 gigs of storage. It ships with Android 9 Pie and Emotion UI 9.0.1 slapped on top of it. You get all the same settings as the Y9 2019, which has now been updated to Android Pie. I'll be leaving a card up above to my review where you can go through all the settings. You get digital balance, which sort of helps you moderate your social media usage daily. About the performance, this uses Huawei's high silicon Kirin 710F CPU clocked at 2.2 GHz. From what we already know about the Kirin 710, it runs really smoothly, and as far as mid-range chips go, it is great for gaming and very battery efficient. The Y9 2019 was very long lasting, but this one is optimized to last even longer. Easily a 2-day battery life. It takes about 2 hours and 40 minutes for a full charge. I tested the fingerprint sensor. Though it is fairly fast, it is not quite as fast as the Y9 2019. There is no face unlock on this guy. I put the triple AI camera to test and here are some photos that I took. So I'm recording on the selfie camera of the Y9 Prime 2019 and here's what the audio sounds like. The premium feature of the Huawei Y9 Prime 2019, which everyone should be looking out for, is that Full HD Plus display devoid of notches or punch holes. And it's all thanks to that pop-up selfie camera implementation. However, this comes at the expense of a notification LED. It's very ideal for people with big hands who consume media primarily on their phone. The Y9 Prime 2019 is priced at 83,900 Naira, which converts to $230 and I don't think there's a rival in the mid-range phablet category, but you can correct me if I'm wrong in the comments. You can pre-order yours at any major retail store in Nigeria starting on the 15th of July. If you love to see a gaming review or any comparison videos, do leave me a comment down below. Thanks for watching and please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. You can follow me on Twitter and Instagram to see what I'm up to. Do subscribe for more videos like this as it will mean a lot to me, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.